wear this under your clothes to go to work. You can wear this to go out to the club with your girls. Like I said, this is another entrepreneur vlog. You guys know
with me, roll with me, roll with me, yeah.
Guys,
Go with me.
Alright guys, so I'm on the floor getting ready to shoot the other scene for the manifestation box. I was shooting earlier for the waist trainer. So I'll put you guys on the floor. Yes, sir.
What are you doing? So you just
I have no idea. I guess I could, what should I say? Struggling.
Talk about the product. Why did you make this product?
I made this product to help people manifest their goals. You don't have to catch me lighting it, because I'm not going to put in an ad, but you can just record it anyway. Just because I want it for myself. Are you struggling with constant negative emotions? You constantly feel like things are not working out? I want to introduce you to what I call the ultimate unisex manifestation box. Alright guys, it's like we started at 2 and it's mad late, so we're still shooting. I'm just gonna put this over here. Okay. Hi. Are you struggling with controlling your negative emotions? Are you?
But I'm just saying, we only doing it 3 times. They do it a million times. Let's go. Ready,
Hi.
set.
Don't make me laugh, say.
Go.
Hi, it's Lavelle again. I noticed that you clicked on the Hidden Rock Bottom page, but you did not sign up for the class. What's holding you back from signing up for the class? Listen, I know exactly what you're going through right now and how you can make this work for you. I want you right now. Stop everything that you're doing. I want you right now to go ahead and click the link below. What are you waiting for? Another entrepreneur vlog. You guys know I fuck with the entrepreneur vlogs because I try to show you guys all the struggles that I go through being a first-time entrepreneur, and of course I want you guys to grow with me. So I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the car. Alright guys, so we're leaving my mom's house now. I finished shooting some ads, and we're about to go put this stuff in the car. Oh yeah, and I told you guys I was shooting over here in the park. Lip gloss on my lip. Love you guys. What a long day. Long day.
With a clear eye view, that shorty she tryna bless me like I said I do. Like a nigga sneeze, nigga please for them tricky squeeze. I'm getting cream. Never had them hoes get in between and where we started. Little nigga, but I'm.
Alright guys, so we are back with this week's entrepreneur vlog, and I'm in the kitchen with my mom getting ready for Thanksgiving dinner tomorrow. So we got over there, we're gonna make some candy yams, some mashed potatoes, we got the cheese, and this is hot, so sorry mom. And here we got this huge pot here that the turkey and the chicken is cooking in. Super hot. Ooh, it smells real good. It smells real good. So you guys will get to see the before and after. Happy Thanksgiving to you and your family. I hope you guys are staying safe. I know right now it's pretty hard because everyone is basically like not getting time to spend with all their families. Maybe you're only doing like your immediate family. So just be thankful that you still have dinner and enjoy the time that you have. So I will see you guys in a few. I'll let you guys know where we at. I hope you're watching TV. Say hi to the vlog.
I look crazy, but.
Hey vlog.
Very good.
How you doing?
It's a technique to the cooking, y'all, okay? It's a certain way you gotta cut. Okay? Woo! So we got the candy yams, we got the stuffing, we got the cabbage and broccoli, we got the ham, we got the mac and cheese, we got the rice, we got the turkey, we got the chicken, we got the gravy. Of course, we got some pies and dessert cheesecake, and then we got the potato salad with the up. There. Alright guys, so this is the table. Pour some little wine glasses, just the three of us. Alright guys, so for the purpose of this video, I'm setting up my Facebook and Instagram ad campaign, and this is, I don't know why I was doing that, but this is the second campaign I'm running. I have 2 products. I'm leaving the demographics the same because this product is for all genders and it is for all ages, but certain products won't be for all genders and all ages, so you have to be very careful about how you're setting up your ad campaign. I'm going to be running a traffic ad, and I'll go back and I'll show you guys the kind of objectives that you can pick for your ad. Basically, an objective is basically just like the purpose of your ad. So now I'm gonna go back and we're going to look at the map, and I just typed in manifestation, and I'm trying to see, of course you guys know I'm selling a manifestation box, so I'm trying to see who or where are people that are interested in manifestation or interested in the law of attraction, right? So of course you see this map and it shows me the whole world, but however they're showing me the first top 5, so I'm going to go with the first top 5 and we'll go from there, and then we'll see what happens. So I will come back later after I do some more editing because I can't hold my phone and edit at the same time, so we'll be back. Alright guys, so I just finished running my ads, and I have to edit a video today too, but I just finished running my ads. I'm going to show you guys the ad is currently in review, so now we just wait for Facebook to review it and do everything right, and then we just go from there. So definitely didn't curse. I made sure I follow guidelines. I did mess up. I did put my daily ad budget for $20, and I shouldn't have did that. Hopefully it worked out to my benefit. I'm gonna have to probably cancel that ad and do it again. I mean, the ad ends on Wednesday, so it's gonna I want it to run from today to Wednesday, so hopefully Facebook Facebook is gonna approve it today. Yeah, we speaking positive vibes, so whatever we want, we're manifesting. We're gonna trust our universe, we're gonna trust our gut, so they're gonna approve it. So yeah, so now we're waiting. So I'm gonna show you guys, and we're gonna work with some waist trainers, and I'll get back to you guys. And I'm tired, but I'm full. I have 1 plate of food, I'm full, but I hope you guys had an amazing Thanksgiving. I know I have to shoot some videos tomorrow, Friday, and yeah. Alright guys, so I will see you guys. Hi, good morning guys. How you guys doing? Today's Black Friday, so happy Black Friday. I'm gonna post this video today guys, just give me a little bit, it's gonna be late. I'm gonna post the video, that's all that matters. A vlog. So last night I showed you guys that I was like editing the ad, so we're gonna go check on that just to make sure that it's approved, all that's taken care of. Have to send an email out, but I just want to show you guys we're getting ready, all the stuff that we have at home, to kind of like cut the middleman out, so we don't have to pay someone else to do it. We do everything ourselves. So I'm gonna show you guys that. All right guys, so over here right now I have 12 waist trainers lined up. I have a few more that I have to do, but right now we're just gonna be focusing on getting these 12 done. I have 2 people that don't know their size, a few people actually that don't know their size, so I just want to carry at least 2 of each size with me to be on the safe side, and see what happens with that today. Like I said, I'll hit them up, but I gotta be done with the waist trainers first. I gotta pick my mom up, then I'll hit them up. But these are the bags I put in the waist trainer, guys. I got these from Amazon, so you can buy these on Amazon. I don't know how many come in them, but I just bought them from Amazon. Really cute. This is some tissue paper. So because the waist trainer is pink, right, this is a size small, because this waist trainer is pink. And guys, we do wash our hands and we do sanitize our hands before touching any products, because it is COVID out here. And I use these right here. I probably want to use the orange one because it's orange. I don't know what I'll do with it. But this is the pink one. This is a tissue wrapping paper. I got that from Dollar Tree. Of course, I got all my stuff over here. This is an at-home printer. The issue with this is it's an old printer. The printer, ink is not working correctly. This is what we call the Cricut Maker. We bought this online. You can make your own logos, decals, business cards, anything. So we're getting ready to take this and put this on here. I don't know how to do it, guys. I'm gonna be honest with you. My husband knows. My husband is more creative than I am when it comes to like pictures and doing arts and crafts, because he draws, so he's like in that arena. Even when he does his like own mixtape covers or people do it for him or his videos, he has more of an artistic side. I don't really see it, so I'll let him do all that because I don't want to fuck it up. But he's gonna show me later on, but not on this batch because I don't want to fuck up this batch. And he's gonna show me later. This is the mat. This is the Cricut Maker, and then over here, sorry. This is the Cricut Easy Press. We got the printer, the Cricut Maker, so you do all your labels, everything, and then I just walk over here and close my mom's door. And then over here, over here is the iron. So we'll plug the iron in, make sure it doesn't have any water because it's not supposed to have any steam. We'll do that after picking up water. A little water?
Just a little bit.
Yeah, guys. So I don't.
So it could be something in it.
So I don't know how to let me flip the camera. Yeah, guys. So unfortunately, my husband handled that part, and I just like iron and put everything together at $700.
$700 to $800. So this is the This is the vinyl where it cuts out your design.
Let me hold on. Let me tell y'all. Literally, y'all, if y'all gonna buy a vinyl and you have the Cricut machine, I'm sorry, y'all. Do not buy the Cricut vinyl. Do not. The best vinyl what we bought was the Scissor Easy Weed, right? After doing countless research, I'm gonna save you guys the headache. The
But
Scissor
I ain't
Easy
gonna lie,
Weed.
one day we end up testing all the vinyls, and yes, I would say the last one that she bought, what was it called?
The Scissor Easy. The Scissor Easy
was
Weed.
the best, but I got all of them to work, but yeah, it sticks the best.
Yeah, the Scissor Easy Weed sticks the best. It doesn't like I have. Let me I don't know what my waist trainer is, guys. Like I had my waist trainer.
This is the best.
My waist trainer. This here. So actually guys, so we were testing the latex material on my waist trainer, and this was like a test print I did with the white vinyl, and as you guys can see, it is coming up a little bit, but just right here. But other than that, I work out, I sweat, like I did an intense workout with this, and it still stayed on. So that's the main goal, that it stays on. The goal also, my husband said, is to let it dry for a little bit. It's Black Friday, so guys, I am doing a Black Friday sale, so I would appreciate you guys support me. And any tips
Where if you put it right there, it will cut off your
And I wrap my legs so tight you can breathe.
so I had
When I feel that tingle down my spine.
now we're ready to
Oh, you know that's when I come alive. You are come alive. You are come alive. You are come alive.
ask to do like a temporary Cricut tutorial, I can't do it because I don't know what to do. But my husband not do, but we can.
risky. She just saying that because she hasn't really.
So
She know how to do it, but she don't know how to
yeah.
weave it out and all.
Yeah.
But just putting it up there and putting your design on.
So it's cutting out. Oh yeah, so I was telling you guys when I got my first sale. So I started YouTube December. Make sure you guys subscribe, by the way. Okay, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you guys like entrepreneurship. If you like videos about marketing, music marketing, how to market yourself, about branding, about how to start your YouTube business, tips and tricks. So guys, I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by December 19th. That's my goal. So I'm going to be running a motherfucking ad on my YouTube channel for my waist training video on YouTube, because of course I want motherfuckers to subscribe to me because I want 1,000 subscribers. Period. Oh my god, I'm super obsessed with this all pink latex waist trainer. You can wear this to work out. It will literally outstand any workout that you're doing. On top of that, do you see this fabric? The fabric is super breathable. Oh my god, you can wear this under your clothes to go to work. You can wear this to go out to the club with your girls. If you're ready to purchase your waist trainer right now, go ahead and click the link below. What are you waiting for?